Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Keys. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to set up your keyboard for worship on PSR E 463 and any other E series keyboard. You can also apply these very settings. First off, if you haven't subscribed to this very channel, guys, please do it to like, subscribe, share, follow. So I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to set up the keyboard. Two ways on how to set up your keyboard very fine. So first off, this is on grand piano. Get it? This is on grand piano on your PSR E463 Yamaha keyboard. So we are going to be using the grand piano. We're going to be using the grand piano. So our dual voice here is one pad. To set that up, go to hard click on dual. See, hard clicking means holding it down and then leaving it to now show you dual voices. This is strings. The one pad is on 600 on this very keyboard. You can find it in other numbers on other keyboard. To set it, you press 600. You see, you can also use this very knob sign to go up and down. You understand? So our dual voice is now one pad. So I haven't activated it yet. So to activate it, you click on dual. Let's activate it, then you can tweak it a little bit. Let's activate it. So let's see. You see, the volume is very low. So to increase the volume, you click on this very function here. Click on function. Then use this very category arrow and go up. So I went up one bit and I saw the volume. Let's put it on. Let's increase it to something like 50 and check it. 50 is a bit okay. Let's check 55. So 55 is okay. You see? You can see setting it up. You can as well go forward and look for your M volume. Let's see where our M volume is. M, that is your master volume. Your main voice volume, that is main voice volume, that is the M volume. Check it to know if we can increase or decrease it. Okay, so 122 is okay on 122. So the next thing you have to set up is your M release, which is same thing as your sustain. If you don't have a sustain pedal, you can as well click here, use this arrow, look for an M release. Yeah, it's on 64. Let's put it to, set it to something like 100 to see. Something like 100. It's not sustaining the way I like it. Put it on 110. So 110 is okay. 110 is okay. So another thing is your bass. If you don't have a bassist, so see how to set it up. You had to click on this split. To now show you, it's on fingerbass. Here we are going to be using fingerbass for this very tutorial. To do that, you check if it's set. The volume is on 80. You can leave it on 80. The M, the S, the split octave is on -1. Leave it on -1. Then another thing is your, let's set it up proper. Your split point, where it will stop. Let's put it on Yeah, this is your split point. Let's just put it on 55 for now. Then to activate it, you click on this split once. It's now activated. You see? So this is the first setting you can use. Let me now pause this and set up this very phone here so that I can play a little bit to see how it sounds. So this is how it sounds. You can as well increase your bass. So I'll now show you guys how to do another settings for your worship. So that's for the first one. So the second setting you can use for your worship is this. We are going to be using the grand piano as well. So see the dual voice we are going to be using. To set it up, you click on dual. We're going to be using slow strings. It's on 73. Yeah, let me check. To do that, you can use this plus on the minus sign. I go up to slow strings. Yes. So our dual voice is going to be slow strings. So let's set it up. We're going to cut this one off a bit. Let's set the volume to 55. Yeah. Then you look out for dual cut off. Yeah. Set it to 0.30. Then we activate dual by clicking on this dual once. It's now activated. Let's decrease the volume a bit. Let's decrease the dual volume to something like 50. The dual cutoff is on 30, yeah. So now let's check our main volume. Let's check our main volume to see where it is. Your M volume. Your M volume is on 122. So another thing we're going to set up here is our harmony. You had click on harmony and put it on duet. Yeah. Then you click on function here, increase the volume to 127. Then you activate it. It's like this dual volume is a bit much. You can just tweak it any way we want. Let's reduce the dual. Let's reduce the dual volume. Reduce to 45. The dual cutoff is still on 30. Yeah. Then you look for your M release, which is your sustain. Look for your M release. I want this video, don't want it to be too long. Your M release, which is your sustain, you can put it to 110. Then the same way you set up your bars if you don't have a bassist. It's on finger bars, then you check let's increase the volume to 100 so that it will, then to activate it, you click on the split once it's now activated. You see? So let me now set the phone as well, then I'll play it. Yeah. So there you have it. This is how to set up your keyboard. It will sound so nice for worship. Understand? Please guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share for the growth of this very channel. Thank you guys. See you some other time. Bye.